Duff here, middle of nowhere. So I just figured out a fucking old thing. Well, you know how we always can play with old fucking computers and shit like that and swap it drives over, and well, sometimes your system doesn't have exactly all the things you need. Some have the old school ID, some have the fucking SATA, and some have both. But some just don't have the power supply that allows you to SATA on one. Well, okay, so these are the 6 drives. Okay, so these first 4 are SATAs, and these are like, yeah, that's a 60 and that's the 34? No. What the fuck is that one? That might be, yeah, that's a 34. Or 30, yeah, 34 gig. Those, so that's these 2. Okay, so that's there. But then you see all this shit. Okay, this is another tower too. This is just running the power to this hard drive, that hard drive, and that hard drive. Because I only had the one port here for this one. This is like old school shit, man. This is like this is old school P5, and this is like some kind of HP fucking thing. I bought these for like, that was 50, and this one was supposed to be 225, but I got them for both for like 250 bucks. Came with like a bunch of monitors. There's another tower there I picked up, but that's a copy. So what I'm doing, this one here has Linux, that has Windows 7. That's an extra shit, doesn't do anything, but it's useless because I only have these ones and there is no other drive. That's 1 terabyte. That is an Xbox 360 hard drive, 250 gig, that somebody uses as a fucking computer drive, and another Western Digital SATA 250. This was out of that one. That's my turd. This is my pig, because, you know, there's white there, and there's the black case piece right there, and that's my crap box. And then I also have a crap top and my shit in one, all in one. Those Sony garbage. But this is for the crap top, and that's a Linux. So I'm gonna try it where get all these going right. I also have up here a USB external. That is going to be my storage for all the fucking operating systems, because I'm trying to, you know, get everything saved just in case some shit happens. Alright, so it's loading. I just put my password and I don't need you to know my fucking name. Come on. God, this is so slow. No, like, hey, Saph, you need to chill out. No, I don't want you up. I don't want you up. No. You relax. Relax. Saph, I'm good. I'm fine. What? No. See, this is what I deal with. You big suck, man. You big suck. It's like, it's getting late, man. What time is it? 12:30. Okay, I don't know, 12:23, whatever. The fuck? Is that you, Duff? You whistling like an idiot over there? I'm serious. I don't know if fucking anybody else heard that, but I fucking heard that shit. Hey, do you want to hear a real funny thing? So the guys that I bought this from, he says his house is haunted. He's had shit just apparently just, you know, this thing here, he just made an example. He just like, it fucking flew off the tables like that. It just, I don't know, like, I don't really believe in ghosts. That's the first time I fucking started this system up. That ran fine, but maybe it's these fucking drives just starting to squeal or something like that. I don't know what that was. But, yeah, weird shit.